Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your first time stopping by to my channel. My name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely jumbo twist using yarn wool to achieve this gorgeous, beautiful jumbo twist. I wanted to say using Brazilian wool because making use of Brazilian wool. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm using 22 strand of yarn wool for each twist. Yes, I'm using 22 strand, and this is not a tiny yarn wool. This is a big yarn wool. If you are using a tiny yarn wool, you are going to be using that is 44. You are going to be using 44 strand, but this is a big yarn wool, so I'm going to be using 22 strand of yarn wool for each twist. So you can see what I did. I sectioned each part into two, then I put the wool at the middle. You saw how I did it from the beginning. I kept it at the middle. If you don't want to use a rubber band, you can actually twist that side. You can actually twist that side if you don't want to use a rubber band, but using the rubber band is better. Just make sure you moisturize your hair very well, then oil the rubber band before you use it. Then I keep twisting. When I get towards the end of the twist, I tie a knot, a loop. I form a loop. I tie it 3 times. If you've not subscribed, guys, please support your girl. Share with your loved one. Click on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop a new video. Make sure you thumbs up for your girl. Please support your girl. Make sure you subscribe. You can see what I'm doing. I'll section the hair into 2. Then I'll take 22 strand of yarn wool. I'll put it at the middle of the hair section. Then I'll take a rubber band. Then I'll band it down. Then I'll make sure the root is secured very well. Do not make it too tight, or else it will be very painful on your scalp. Just make sure you moisturize your hair. Then I'll start twisting. I'm going to tell you how many pack of yarn wool I use towards the end of the video.
She give me dirty wine. Man, I grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man, I bad, man, I bossing at the thing so. Girl, put me yard, say me put me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man, I wine, say she give me put me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Put me yard, say she give me put me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man, I grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding at the thing so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man, I bad, man, I bossing at the thing so. Girl, put me yard, say me put me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man, I wine, say she give me put me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Put me yard, say she give me put me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man, I grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding at the thing so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man, I bad, man, I bossing at the thing so. Girl, put me yard, say me put me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man, I wine, say she give me put me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are. Baby, Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding at the thing so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me feel wine. Man a wine, say she give me pour me out. Say enter.
So we are going to be trimming the excess, the remaining parts where we tied the knot. We don't need that. We are going to be trimming that off. So I used 2.5 pack of yarn wool, big yarn wool. I used 2.5 pack to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. Look at the final look. Oh my god, I look like a goddess. Yeah, goddess. This look is a bomb. Can you please make sure you like, subscribe, share with your love